When people lose money, they usually blame one thing: bad luck, the market, the economy, sometimes even other people. But in most cases, the real problem is much simpler. It's not what you know, it's how you decide. Money decisions are rarely logical, they're emotional. That's why smart people can still make poor financial choices. They buy things to feel better. They invest because everyone else is doing it. They panic when prices fall, and they get excited when prices rise. That's backwards. The best financial decisions are usually the least emotional ones. Before I spend money, I ask a simple question: will this still look like a good decision in 10 years? That question changes everything because it forces you to think long term. Most bad money decisions happen when people focus only on right now. They want immediate comfort, immediate excitement, immediate results. But wealth doesn't grow that way. Wealth grows quietly, slowly, almost invisibly at first. And that's why most people miss it. They're looking for fast progress. Real wealth is built through boring decisions made consistently, saving when it's not exciting, investing when it feels uncertain, saying no when everyone else is saying yes. That's discipline. And discipline is often more valuable than intelligence. You don't need to know everything about finance. You just need to avoid the obvious mistakes. Don't spend money to impress people. Don't invest in things you don't understand. And don't confuse activity with progress. Making more moves doesn't always mean making better moves. Sometimes the smartest financial decision is simply doing nothing, waiting, observing, thinking. Because every dollar you spend today is a dollar that can't work for you tomorrow. That's the real cost, not the price tag, the opportunity cost. Wealthy people think differently about money. They don't just ask, can I afford this? They ask, what am I giving up by buying this? That question can save you thousands, maybe more. The goal isn't to never spend. The goal is to spend intentionally, to make sure your money reflects your priorities, not your impulses, because money is a tool. And like any tool, it can either build something valuable or create expensive mistakes. In the end, financial success is less about making brilliant decisions and more about avoiding foolish ones. If you can do that consistently, you'll already be ahead of most people. You don't need to be a genius with money. You just need to stop making emotional decisions.